Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we are looking at an order from My Patriot Supply. They're part of Ready Alliance Group, and you can see here all these items just happen to be branded Ready Hour. So this is just a small selection of the variety of items that are available on the My Patriot Supply website. Go ahead and check them out. So just quickly starting here, we can see we have a box of barbecue baked beans, and these are, I believe, condensed down and into pouch form. So you can see here we got 48 servings and pretty hefty weight, even though they've been condensed down. This is freeze-dried white meat chicken, 12 servings. So this is 6 times 2.12 ounce pouches versus for the beans you have 4 times the servings and therefore more weight as well. Over here on the left side we have a can of freeze-dried sliced strawberries. This one actually has the preparation, some suggested items, as well as nutrition facts right on the outside, because this is ready to open. And this is 36 servings, but if you don't open it, up to 30-year shelf life. And the last item in this order is a Ready Hour branded wireless solar power bank, charger, and 28 LED room light. You can see the outputs there, including the 20,000 milliamp per hour lithium ion battery, and basically import product. Came in a tray. See a USB type cable there, as well as pulling it out, the light portion of the 28 LEDs, solar bank portion there. Right now going on solar. It's charging right now. See how the light is going on as it's picking up light from the window. But if I go this way, it's not picking up enough of a signal. So putting that back in there for now. Again, in summary, these were ordered through My Patriot Supply, part of Ready Alliance Group, and you can see these are all branded Ready Hour. Feel free to check them out. They have a variety of items. My Patriot Supply. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage, mill-serv tools, and expanded topics. We also have a selection of book review, media reviews, and a selection of videos called Curios for the Curious. Videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.